Ever wish you could tap your phone to pay for your coffee, but your Airwallex card wasn't working with Apple Pay? You're not alone. It's a question we get all the time, and it's a frustration many global businesses and freelancers face. You've got your modern, multi-currency account, but you're stuck fumbling for a physical card at the checkout. The good news is, getting your Airwallex card onto Apple Pay is not only possible, but it's also incredibly simple. It's all about bridging the gap between your digital finances and your everyday spending, and today, we're going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Now, before we get to the how, let's quickly touch on the why. Why is this such a game changer? Think about the security. When you use Apple Pay, your actual card number is never stored on your device or shared with the merchant. Instead, a unique, encrypted device account number is used for each transaction. This is a massive upgrade in security compared to carrying around a physical card. Plus, there's the convenience factor. Forget digging through your wallet. With a simple double tap of a button, you're ready to pay. It's faster, cleaner, and frankly, it feels more futuristic. So, let's get down to the brass tacks. There are two primary ways to add your Airwallex card to Apple Pay, and we'll cover both. The first method is directly through the Airwallex app. This is probably the easiest and most direct way to do it. All you need to do is open your Airwallex app, navigate to the Cards section, and select the card you want to add. You'll see a small button or an option that says Add to Apple Wallet. Give that a tap, and the app will guide you through the rest of the process, which is essentially just confirming some details and agreeing to the terms and conditions. Apple Pay will then handle the rest, securely adding your card and making it ready for use. It's seamless, quick, and takes all the guesswork out of it. The second method is for those of you who might be more comfortable working directly in your phone settings. Open the Settings app on your iPhone and scroll down to Wallet and Apple Pay. Once there, you'll see an option to add card. Tap on that, and you'll be prompted to either use your camera to scan your physical Airwallex card or to enter the card details manually. Now, a quick pro tip: if you're entering the details manually, double-check everything, especially the card number and the security code. Once you've entered all the necessary information, Apple will verify the card with Airwallex, and once approved, it will be added to your digital wallet. You might receive a verification code via text or email to confirm your identity, so be sure to have that handy. Once your card is added, you're all set. You can use it anywhere Apple Pay is accepted, whether that's in-store, in-app, or on the web. And you'll still get all the benefits of your Airwallex card, including the great exchange rates and simplified expense management. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.